Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in this video today, I am going to give you 3 signs that your business is in trouble. Your cleaning business is on its last leg and you're probably going the wrong direction rather than the right. And you can use this whether you're doing commercial or government. Now, how do you know your business is in trouble? Well, one way is you have a lot of complaints. If you are constantly getting complaints, that means you're being reactive and not proactive. You need to what? Set up a system that's going to get you through. It's not that you may not receive any complaints, but your number will significantly go down because you're going to catch things before your client does because you're going to be proactive instead of reactive. The next way you're going to know is your income starts to shrink. You're losing accounts. You used to have more. Now you notice you're getting less and less. And you find out that you're not looking at renewing contracts. That is a sure sign that your business is going the wrong direction if you're looking at doing what? Scaling your business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So the third thing you need to know that your business is going the opposite direction, you're probably in trouble, is your employees are quitting. You don't have anyone to do the cleaning. And I know right now it's crazy because there's a shortage when it comes to labor. So if you find your employees are jumping ship, they're abandoning you, you're doing all the cleaning, you're totally exhausted, then your company is in trouble. These are 3 signs that you need to fix it. Or you're going to find yourself with one account and you're going to be down to just yourself. And that is not what you started this business for, correct? Quite sure I'm right. So if you want to look at scaling your business, then make sure you come to the free masterclass. And I go over what you need to do to 10x your business, your cleaning business, 10x, how to grow it with employees, money, all the resources, 10 times more than what you have, 10 times more income, 10 times more contracts, 10 times more customers, 10 times more employees, 10 times more energy, all of that you need to scale your cleaning business. So if you're interested, then make sure you click the link. If you're ready for 10 times more than what you already have, not negative, but positive, more of the good stuff, the resources, the clients, the customers, all of that, then make sure you click the link to come to my free masterclass where we do 10 times more with your cleaning business and take you in the right direction. Click the link, register, bring pen and paper. Looking forward to seeing you there. So excited. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.